All right, little hot tub issue. Unfortunately, they all look ugly like this inside. A couple leaves got in there, but I try to keep it clean in there and everything else, So what occurred was that this thing was running like crazy, which I never do. My wife, oh, leave it on for the heater, blah, 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 all winter. So finally did that, not that I wanted to. And I shut it off finally, and look at the circuit board. It fried. It got really, really bad there. Those two prongs, so kind of went on fire, I guess, or burnt itself out. So I called the company that, believe it or not, they do fix these things, but I took pictures, thank goodness, and sent it. They said, no, we're not going to be able to fix it. So next best thing is eBay. You look for the part number over there. Believe it or not, mine is from 2007, just like this one. It's a pretty old tub. And this tub, believe it or not, it's like a Michael Phelps tub or something, a Master Spa X2, cross trainer, all this nonsense. This thing was, I'm not even lying, $20,000. I didn't buy it. So, for a box of water. But yeah, hopefully I can get this thing solved. Everything else works, which is kind of strange. But the heater element, I guess for whatever reason it just went. I've once changed that before and got the heater working, it was fine. But this time, who knows? I will tell you, you know what? If you're having this issue, open up this box, take a look. The problem is every hot tub is different. You know what I mean? So that's really what the issue is. Follow up to what I had to do. Well, I tried to get away cheap. I did an eBay and bought one for $150, that whole control spa unit. Didn't work, unfortunately, for whatever reason. Guy took it back, wasted time. However, I didn't feel like spending the $650. Here's the old one right here. I think I might even put it on eBay. I mean, it's clearly, I'm going to put it doesn't work and what happened. But the funny thing was, this one was still operating. It just wasn't operating the heater. Now, the other one didn't do anything. It was kind of interesting. But anyway, I ended up finding one of these on Google, just like Google Shopping and everything, how it kind of like finds stuff from you from different companies. And it looked like a reputable hot tub place. It was like $350, I believe, or in the threes. So I saved $300. I was quite lucky. Called another company. They wanted $650. They're like, yeah, it should work. I did everything. I got the part numbers, all that stuff. This was the compatible MS-1700, whatever it was, and that's how I ended up getting this unit. I was skeptical that it may not work. I have to tell you something else, which I found interesting. I didn't have to adjust any wiring, nothing. It was just really a plug and play. So, like I probably said in the last video, make sure that you take pictures of everything regardless, just so you know. Even like here, I wanted to make sure that the grounds went in the same place and all the wiring too that goes in. Definitely you need to do that. Take pictures of where things were because there's a couple open-ended sort of plugs that aren't there. Right now, just looking for leaks or anything. I had a little leak when I kind of shut things off, and then I was using the leaf blower just to kind of dry things out because I lost water when I did the change. But that's where I'm at. I'm going to leave this open, and now my next project is going to be restoring this thing back to something, which I'm probably going to do like a Trex sort of thing, try my best. So far so good. The heater's working, the controls work just as they did. It was at 49, it's already up to 50, but these things do take a while. Pool's looking good, or the hot tub, whatever you want to call it. This side looks so good, it's a shame. But I've always had issues, and I know the people, this just all fell apart. It's the sun. I have all the panels, but it looks cruddy. I had enough. I'm just got to put it all back. Just going to drill it in. Because you know what? I did not feel like taking this all down and then trying to figure it out this year. It's already getting hot. So, you know what? It's a temporary fix. I hate the way this thing looks. It's a crappy design, and I think all of them are like this. Yeah, see this? This is coming out. Yeah, they're just terrible. Terrible design. And you know what it is? It's the sun. It's the sun that's destroying it. It really is. But this thing's 20 years old, so it's doing pretty good.